Okay, so welcome to all of you into the neuroscience session. And today I am coming along with a very interesting and very, I must say, interesting and the lovely topic. I hope that you relish this topic. But before starting this topic, everyone, please put your hand. Everyone, guys, please put your hand on your heart. Everyone, I really appreciate, guys. And honestly, tell me the answer of this question. Honestly, tell me the answer of this question. Have you ever slept in the boring meeting or the presentations? कभी सोए हैं कोई boring meeting and the presentations? Right? Guys,
Yes, ma'am.
believe me, everyone does, including me, including you also. But we don't want that our audience will do the same with us. Suppose Mr. Rajesh is going to present some PPT and no one wants that our audience will sleep. So that's why today I'm coming with a very interesting topic, how to add humor into your talk. How to add humor. Humor means how to make your communication or how to make your talk more interesting, more engaging, and more lovable by your audience. Okay? Because now I have seen that most of the time now we are so much serious. Okay, this is a business prerequisite that we have to deliver the presentation. I'm not denying that you don't deliver the presentation. But my question is that if you are delivering your presentation, so that presentation really gives an impactive and the effective impact on your audience. Okay, this is my agenda. So agenda is clear, what you will learn in today's session? Okay, so I'm going to start the session. I hope the screen is visible.
Yes.
Yes, the topic name is humor. What does it mean? Humor means the secret sauce of great communication. The secret sauce.
Like naturally Neha ma'am.
Right. I think you are fond of Neha ma'am. Yes. Okay. So the secret sauce of the great communication, right? देखो guys, see, humor क्या है? Basically, simple terms में अगर मैं बताऊं, humor is like a salt of the food. If in a food there is no salt, so do you really think so that food is tasty? No, no. That food is very presentable. You have put all the spices except this salt, but it won't have taste. Same goes with the humor. If you know how to add communication skills, if you know how to work on your body gesture, everything you know, but you should know how to make your talk more interesting and engaging. So there is something missing. So are you guys ready to learn the secret sauce? Ready?
Okay.
You really
Yes.
want to get the recipe of the secret sauce? Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So let's start. So what is humor? सबसे पहले हमें पता होना चाहिए कि what is humor? What is humor? Yes. Can anyone read it? What is humor? Yes, Samreen. Samreen, speak louder.
Humor is the ability to find and express things in a funny or amazing
हाँ.
way.
Hmm.
It lightens the mood and makes communication enjoyable.
हाँ. So what is humor? Humor क्या होता है? Basically, it is a skill like driving, like communication, like swimming. These are the skills. Same goes with the humor. Humor is also the skill. And trust me, my dear students, if you understand how to inculcate this skill into our behavior, you can easily connect with your audience. See, why we are learning, why we want to become a fluent speaker. क्यों बनना चाहते हैं हम fluent speaker? Yes, Kavita, why do you want to become a fluent speaker, dear?
So that you can easily connect with people.
Yes,
Anywhere.
yes. So basically, why we want to become a fluent speaker so that we can easily express our ideas in this language. We don't want to become a fluent speaker in the front of the mirror. हमें शीशे के आगे खड़े होके नहीं बोलना हर समय, guys. This is the initial stage, but what is the final stage? Are we able to connect with our audience through this language? If your answer is yes, so it means you are a fluent speaker. it means you are the fluent speaker. And fluent speaker doesn't mean that you only have to use English, English, English. There are so many things which you have to inculcate into your behavior. Body tone, body language, gestures, everything is included. Okay? So humor kya hai? It is a skill that helps us to create a friendly and the relaxed environment so that your audience will love to listen. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
And it is a skill, guys. It is a skill. So why I'm saying it is a skill? Why I'm saying it is a skill? What are the skills? Can you give me
It is-
any example of a
it is
skill?
Actually,
That will learn.
it is the
That
art of
will
speaking.
learn. That will learn.
Will
That
learn.
is not developed into your behavior by birth, since birth. No.
Yes.
This is a skill that you have to acquire.
To
Like
learn.
for driving, swimming, communication. Communication is also the skill.
Skill.
Okay, so that
Yes.
you are learning, that you are acquiring. So what are the major role of humor in communication? अब रोल क्या है ह्यूमर का हमारे कम्युनिकेशन में? ठीक है, सो व्हाट इज द रोल ऑफ ह्यूमर इन कम्युनिकेशन? व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट रोल? ब्रेक द आइस. ब्रेक द आइस. What does it mean, break the ice? What is it?
Start talking.
Start talking. Yes. Suppose break the ice का मतलब होता है how to take the initiative. How to take the initiative. That is break the ice. अब क्वेश्चन है कि how the humor plays a vital role, plays an important role in breaking the ice. That is the
Yes.
question. Right? Suppose I'm giving one example. Suppose I'm going to deliver one presentation. ठीक है, and this is under your curriculum. This is your 3 months curriculum कि by hook and crook you have to attend the session, neuroscience session you have to attend. Again, maybe some students are thinking, oh my God, again there is a one session, 1.5 घंटा ले लेंगी मैम अब तो. Okay ना? So everyone has a different thoughts. But you all have attended the session. ठीक है, सब चुपचाप बैठे हैं because everyone is waiting कि कब मैम start करे और कब हम as a good listener we start listening. But what I do, I will break the ice. What I can do, hi everyone. Dekho, there are the two ways. The first way is, hello everyone. I'm today there is a neuroscience session and I'm going to deliver one presentation on the sense of humor. I hope everyone must be attentive to listen this topic clearly. This is a one way. The second way, hi everyone, how are you all? Today I'm going to deliver one presentation and trust me, this presentation is interesting and engaging, just like a good movie trailer. I repeat, this presentation is interesting and engaging, just like a good movie trailer. Right? So what I did, देखो, same presentation I will deliver. ऐसा नहीं है कि there must be a change into my presentation. No,
Expression.
but I just express so that there is a break the ice. You will also start taking the interest. कि what extra she is going to present. Okay? So that is break the ice. The second point is capture the attention. Very important, guys. Capture the attention. It is very important to capture the attention because this is, do you really think so the communication is a two-way communication or a one-way communication?
Two-way.
Two-way.
Two-way. What do you mean by two-way communication?
Ma'am, listener is also interested. And
Yes. सिर्फ ये हमारा communication का या whenever you are going for some PPTs or any talk, this is not the idea कि whatever is coming into your mind, you just deliver. भाई हमने तो बोल दिया, समझ आएगा तो ठीक है, नहीं समझ आएगा तो ठीक है. No, that is not the good quality of a communicator. Okay, you have to capture the attention also. So humor also plays a good role in capture the attention. Okay, next is very important, build rapport. What do you mean by build rapport? Shilpa, what do you mean by build rapport? सुना है शिल्पा कभी ये word build rapport?
No,
yes,
ma'am.
No.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Acha,
No.
anyone who has listened this word build rapport?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
What do you mean by build rapport?
If you always speak with integrity and dignity, you will always have a good rapport that you are a good speaker.
Okay, okay, okay. Well
So,
said.
Yes,
so,
ma'am.
so
The
Okay,
effective
okay,
people
okay.
Connection, ma'am.
Okay.
Repo means good connection.
Yeah, yes, Rashri.
Good connection, ma'am.
Good connection. Okay, okay, okay. So that you can make your talk more enjoyable. देखो guys, always keep this motto into your mind to make your talk, to make your communication more interesting, more enjoyable. So build the repo means how to build the repo with your audience so that it can convert the communication. Sometimes it happens na ki that our communication is in a negative mode, but you have to attend that presentation. You have to be the part of that talk. But
Yes,
how the-
ma'am. What happens sometime your contents are more important, but your skill is not, it is weak, so the repo
हाँ, so
should be
the
down.
repo की ऐसी की तैसी. Very nice.
Yes.
देखो your name is Shaimu.
Sudha Srivastava.
अच्छा, Sudha
Dr. Sudha
Srivastava.
Srivastava I am.
Acha,
Yes,
acha, you
ma'am.
have login with this. Okay, okay. So the very well said, guys, because sometimes it happens ki that our content is very up to the mark, but we are not able to deliver that content in the right way. Right way का मतलब क्या है, guys? Right way का मतलब क्या है? Right way का मतलब है कि whether
सही वक्त पे है।
audience is getting that concept or not. If our audience is getting that concept, so it means I have delivered my content in a right way. Okay? तो build the repo का मतलब होता है if I am able to build the repo with the other person, I can easily shift my talk from the negative zone to positive zone. मैं shift कर सकती हूँ. अरे उर्मिला इतनी नींद अभी से 7:30. हाँ, म्यूट करो, म्यूट
Sorry,
करो.
ma'am. Sorry.
हाँ,
Extremely sorry.
ग्रामर में भी नींद. ठीक है, चलो. अब जैसे आई एम गिविंग वन एग्जांपल, guys. See. I'm trying to reduce my weight since long. Okay. I have joined yoga classes. I have started to cut my carbs, but nothing is going to be happen. Okay. So finally, I hired one dietitian. Last week, I just went to my dietitian. And trust me, guys, she told me she had just make a chart, and according to that chart, if I follow that chart rigorously, I definitely would be able to reduce 5 kgs. But I
Oh my
was
God.
not able to reduce 0.05 grams. Okay, but there's an appointment, so definitely I have to visit it to my dietitian. So once I visited to my dietitian, and once she checked my weight, she was not happy with my result. She was not happy with my result. And she started scolding. You have to cut down the carbs, you have to cut down your sugar items, you have to do the 10,000 steps in a day, blah, blah, blah. She was continuously speaking. And trust me, guys, जो environment था ना, that was very, मतलब ना, I'm not comfortable in that environment because मुझसे हो नहीं रहा था और वो बहुत ज्यादा कह रही थी. Okay, so then suddenly it came from my mind कि मैम, whenever I see the छोला भटूरा ना, मेरा दिल कहता है जा सिमरन जा जी ले अपनी जिंदगी. And literally, guys, trust me, when I spoke these words to my dietitian, there is a little bit smile on her face. Little bit smile on her face. Then she tried to understand me. और वो जो atmosphere, ऐसा नहीं है कि she didn't say anything. She had just given me new chart, but with according to my requirements also. So, but by adding this humor, by adding this punchline, ये punchline क्या है? What is this punchline? This is also the humor. This is also the humor. So by adding this punchline, the room environment has been shifted from negative to positive.
Positive.
Okay, so punchliners are very important if you really want to develop humor into your behavior. Encourage the people to open up, definitely. If you will say, suppose you are a teacher or maybe you are the online communication, I'm taking my example, guys. Encourage the people to open up. I have to take the sessions, definitely. And what I have seen, most of the students have switched off their cameras. And if I will say, guys, this is your session, please turn on your camera, please turn on your camera, this is your session, you have to speak, blah, blah, blah. 10 में से एक सुन लेगा बस. What about rest 9 members? Okay, so then I have to encourage them. Then I will simply say, hey guys, this is not a Netflix show. just turn on your camera and feel free to unmute and talk and start the conversation. Hey guys, this is not a Netflix show. Feel free to unmute and start the conversation. Guys, ये Netflix show नहीं है कि सब म्यूट करके बैठे हैं सिर्फ चेहरा देख रहे हैं. Just unmute yourself and feel free to start the conversation. And trust me, guys, immediate result happened. Out of 10, out of 9, 7 immediately opened their camera. Okay, so that are the humor. That is the humor. Humor doesn't mean to crack the joke. Sometimes it happens. I tell you, humor reduces the tension. Definitely reduces the tension. If you know how to add the humor into your talk, you can reduce the tension. You can reduce the tension. I had to deliver one presentation last month. Okay. And I was very chill. Then my husband asked, okay, you have a presentation and you are very chill. Mata, whenever I have to deliver the presentation, some butterfly starts into my stomach. And immediately one point came into my mind. Are yaar, if I'm able to handle the teenager, so this is just a piece of cake for me. अगर मैं टीनेजर को हैंडल कर सकती हूँ 16+ स्टूडेंट को, इफ आई एम एबल टू हैंडल, तो ये प्रेजेंटेशन तो क्या चीज है मेरे यहाँ की, राइट? सो देखो ऐसा नहीं है टेंशन नहीं होती, टेंशन सबको होता है, बट वंस आई विल स्पीक दीज टाइप्स ऑफ लाइन्स, सो ऑटोमेटिकली इट रिड्यूसेस माय टेंशन. ओके, द लास्ट वन इज messages delivered are more memorable. Whenever you are delivered the messages, instead of writing the plain text, that is more memorable. That are more memorable. Like for example, Anjali, suppose, Anjali, do you have kids?
Yes, ma'am. Two kids.
Okay, ठीक है. Anjali, suppose your kid has an exam tomorrow. Okay, and he hasn't prepared so well. ठीक उसका preparation है. Okay, and he has exam tomorrow. So being a mother, what will you say to him?
Ma'am, firstly, I will see whether I will say pass तो हो जाएगा ना.
Right.
Then I will
Okay.
make him, then I will make him cool. Okay, you will get passed. So what are you worrying about?
But Anjali, he knows what is his level of preparation.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Then I will console him na, that you will get passed. I am satisfied with the passing marks. The above marks are for you. You can.
But Anjali, this is my question, dear. This is not for Anjali. This is for everyone, guys. If the student knows that my preparation is not up to that mark, and he or she is little bit worried about his mark, so why, being a parent, again and again we are so much emphasizing on the marks? So don't say the marks
Pressurize.
word. Don't say the marks words in front of them.
Okay,
So
ma'am.
simply say, Anjali, you have the exam. Don't worry. All is well. All is well. Have you seen the 3 Idiots dialogue?
Yes.
All is well. All is
All
well.
is
So
well.
whenever you have the tension, just say the message is delivered. All is well. All is well. Suppose your friend is saying you have done something for your friend, and your friend starts writing, thank you so much, you are such a sweetheart, thank you so much. और हम उसका रिवर्ट क्या करते हैं? What the message we have given? Suppose करो, एक student, okay, I'm just coming to another one. Anjana, if your friend has done something in favor of you, okay, and he's saying, sorry, you have done something in favor of your friend, okay, and your friend is writing, thank you. So then what is your reply? एक हार्ट बना देते हैं, इमोजी सा बना के भेज देते हैं, एक या विश लक का एक इमोजी सा बना देते हैं. ठीक है, these are the basic things. Madhvi, what extra you can do, dear? The same question.
Welcome. We say
I say
welcome
na.
and or mention not.
Mention.
It's my
Okay,
pleasure.
mention not. Okay, mention not. Okay. Any more
आपका
inputs?
बड़प्पन है, ये लिख देते हैं, आपका बड़प्पन है.
आपका बड़प्पन है. Very nice,
My
very nice,
pleasure.
Sudha.
It's
Then
my
you can,
pleasure.
हाँ,
My
मैं
pleasure.
It's my
It's my
pleasure. Yes,
pleasure.
yes, yes.
My
थोड़ा सा
pleasure.
हाँ प्लेजर. लेकिन शिल्पा क्या है ना, प्लेजर वर्ड जो होता है ना थोड़ा सा फॉर्मल लगता है. तो मैं हमेशा मोस्टली लिखती हूँ फ्रेंडशिप में नो सॉरी नो
No,
थैंक
sorry, no thanks.
नो थैंक. Okay, so these are the some taglines, guys, you should know. So, guys, these are the role of humor in the communication. Okay.
Yeah.
Now, this is an icebreaker activity. Now, what is this? An icebreaker activity. In this activity, you have to introduce yourself. You have to introduce yourself. अब कैसे introduce करना है? I will send you into the breakout room and you have to in the pairing basis पे and you have to introduce yourself. अब introduce ऐसे कैसे करना है? ऐसे नहीं करना है. आई एम कोमल, आई एम फ्रॉम दिल्ली एंड आई एम अ मास्टर कम्युनिकेशन कोच एट IDQ फॉर द पास्ट ईयर्स. हु इज विलिंग टू लिसन यू? आप कम्युनिकेशन कोच हो, आप क्या हो, कोई किसी को इंटरेस्ट नहीं है, गाइस, ट्रस्ट मी. ओके, बट नाउ यू हैव टू इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ इन अ डिफरेंट वे. In a different way. This is your activity. Are you guys getting? Suppose I'm giving one example. I'm taking my example. Hey, I'm Komal. I'm from Delhi Dilwalo Ki. So from where am I? From where am I?
Delhi, Delhi.
Delhi. ठीक है ना? So I'm from Delhi Dilwalo Ki. Okay. I am into the profession. I am into the profession where I can make mumblers into the motivational speakers.
Right.
I'm into the profession where I can make mumblers into the motivational speakers. Or I'm into the profession where I can make communication just like a cup of tea. Whatever is coming into your mind, guys, you have to speak. Matlab कहने, because guys, see, I let you know in coming slides, humor is a right brain activity. Humor is not a left brain activity, my dear students. So right brain activity hai, so you have to think out of the box. You have to think out of the box. Why we have joined neuroscience, Jayjeet? Why you have joined neuroscience, Jayjeet? मैम, मेरे 16,999 में इंक्लूड था, इसलिए मैंने ज्वाइन कर लिया. हाँ. Jokes apart. Yes, yes, Jayjeet.
No,
हाँ.
no, ma'am. We have to use our proper right brain activity.
राइट ब्रेन. हाँ, गाइस, सी ये सबसे ज्यादा हमारा ना पेन एरिया है कि व्हाई वी हैव जॉइन दिस न्यूरोसाइंस हमने ज्वाइन करा है टू एक्टिवेट आवर राइट ब्रेन. लेफ्ट ब्रेन है गाइस. इफ वी हैव द लेफ्ट ब्रेन, सो इट मींस राजेश्वरी, इफ यू हैव द राइट ब्रेन, so what does it mean? If your if your left brain is more active.
Left brain is for logical and right brain is creativity.
Creative, yes. Acha, these
Magical.
Rajeshri and Rajeshwari. Acha, they are the two.
Yes, Rajeshri, ma'am, Rajeshri.
Okay. So they are the two types of brains, guys. We already know the left brain as well as the right brain. Okay. If my left brain is more active, so it means I'm more logical. मेरे लिए सही है, गलत है. But if my right brain is more active, so I am more creative. I am more imaginative. Okay? Like for example, suppose मैं एग्जांपल लेती हूँ अपने ग्रामर का. ये मैं अभी मेरे स्टूडेंट्स बैठे. I do exercise daily. This is a simple grammar, simple sentence. Is it sentence grammatically right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, I do exercise daily. Simple एक sentence मैंने बना दिया. लेकिन अगर अभी इसमें मैं थोड़ा सा तड़का किसका मारूं? न्यूरो का. ये है simple grammar. But what I have to do? I have to make the neuro grammar. So how I can rewrite this sentence? If I will do the exercise daily, I feel more energetic, more beautiful, and more lively. So that is the neuro. Guys, are you understanding the difference between the first sentence and the second sentence? I do exercise daily. मैं daily exercise करती हूँ, ठीक है. लेकिन इसी को मैंने neuro के साथ कैसे बोला? If I do exercise daily, I feel more energetic, more beautiful, more lively. That is the neuro. That is the right. And you should learn in neuroscience these कि how to activate your right. Okay, now I'm sending you into the breakout room. The activity is clear. Ravindra, you have just joined.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
Ravi. Okay, anyone who have joined just now? Okay.
Ma'am, good evening, ma'am. Sangeeta, ma'am.
संगीता was also joined. So संगीता और रविंद्र के लिए तो अब मेरे मन में एक लाइन आ रही है, बहुत देर कर दी मेहरबा आते आते. Still you have joined. But still you have joined.
शुक्र है आए तो.
Okay.
Be positive, sir. Be positive. Yes.
नहीं देखो guys, this is not a शेरो शायरी class, but yes, I really love humor. तो I have so much ideas. Okay, chalo. I'm sending you into the breakout room. You know, I'm sending you for the 3 minutes. I'm sending you into the breakout room for the 3 minutes. You just talk with your peer person and you just work on the intro. Whatever he or she is in the profession, you just make. Okay? At least try. तीन नहीं तो दो नहीं तो एक, कुछ तो ट्राई करना. Okay, guys, ready everyone?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, guys. So I'm sending you for 3 minutes. 3 minutes or more. Chalo, 5 minutes. Chalo. Join the room. Atharv? Atharv, you are not joining? Yes, what happened, iPhone?
यस मैम, कॉल आ गई थी जिसकी वजह से मैं डिस्कनेक्ट हो गई.
अच्छा, what's your name? आपका नाम क्या है?
रीनेम कर रही हूँ, अभी कर रही हूँ. समरीन मैम.
ठीक है. Okay, just join the room.
ओके मैम, थैंक यू.
अच्छा, Samreen. Okay, Samreen, just join. Join?
नो मैम,
Why?
नॉट शोइंग देयर लिंक मैम.
Okay. Just a moment. Samreen, ठीक है. Samreen, I am sending you into the breakout room 7. Okay, Samreen, just join. Yes, Manish. आप अकेले हैं, मनीषा जी?
Yes, no, someone was there, but I don't know how.
Okay. You have just joined?
Yeah, just.
Okay, so
Just 5 minutes.
5. So do you know what the activity we are doing?
Yeah, we have to introduce ourselves.
Okay. I'm sending you into the room number 1. Please join. Hi, Ranjita. Ranjita, you have just joined?
Yes.
Acha, Ranjita, actually, na, the students I have sent into the breakout room.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, no worries. No worries. You also go. Acha, you have joined late, Ranjita.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
So sorry, ma'am.
No, it's
for
okay,
being late.
Ranjita. It's okay, dear. But please go through with the recording.
Okay, ma'am. Sure.
अभी session खत्म नहीं हुआ, but the students are coming from the
Oh.
breakout room.
Yes, ma'am.
Hi.
Okay.
Hi. Hi, Ranjita.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi, Urmila. Hi, Rajeshri.
Hi, yes.
Yes.
Have a wonderful
Hello.
evening.
Wonderful evening, all of you.
All of you.
Thank
Arey,
you.
you guys are coming back from the breakout room into
Main
the main
section.
room.
Yes, main session.
Main room.
Okay, main session में आ गए हम लोग.
But what is a good thing? But what is a
you-
good thing, guys? You know what is a good thing?
You
Yes,
told
ma'am.
that you told, ma'am, that you will be given 5 minutes in a breakout room.
So
But
are
I
you
think-
given the 5 minutes?
No, I don't
No,
think
ma'am, no.
No.
it's only 1 or 2 minutes.
No,
Just
no,
we started our conversation and
No,
we
no, no,
got a
it's already
recall.
No, ma'am.
got recall from yourself, from your side.
No, ma'am. Actually, ma'am takes us 5 minutes.
5 minutes, Rajesh.
5
I have
minutes
given you
only.
5 minutes.
Yes.
Maybe
I
maybe-
saw sir on timer.
I have sent you into the for the 5 minutes. But guys, what is the best thing happen?
Yeah.
जितने
Yes,
गए थे
ma'am.
जितने वापस आ गए हैं. Otherwise, my heartbeats are going up and up. I don't know how
Someone
many of you
left
come
and
back.
they are breaking room, ma'am.
Breaking में room से गायब हो जाएंगे सब.
Same goes. Sometimes it happens in the workshop now. If I send 10 students, only the 7 students will come. But it is a good thing that 20 are gone and they come back. Okay, now let's come
Okay,
to the topic. Let's come to the topic.
Yes.
I think Manisha ji have joined late and Ranjana has joined late. So guys, you just listen. Ranjita, sorry, you just listen. Okay?
Yes,
Right. Okay, I want guys only the 3 volunteers. I want only the 3 volunteers who want to share your activity, what you have done into the breakout room. Anyone who is thinking that my introduction is out of box. Yes, anyone. I want
Actually-
3 volunteers.
Actually, today's topic is to speak with humor. That's why we had conversation with humor. Though
Yes. No. Have you done your part? Have you done your intro with the
Yes.
humor?
yes. That's
so-
that's why I said that I am 25 years old. Because to add a humor, always don't count your age, but count your humor, count your energy level,
Yes, definitely.
count
definitely.
your thinking level. And if you will think that I am 60 years old, you can't.
No, who told you? Who
can't-
told you that you have to discuss your age in the intro? See, Mr. Rajesh, don't divert from the topic. See, I have the
Totally
time
depends
limit. I
on you,
have the
sir.
time limit. See, guys, I have the time limit.
Just
Yes,
to add
yes,
humor.
Okay, so I just want the 3 volunteers who really want to share his or her ideas, what you have done into the breakout room. Anyone? Anjana? Anjali? Are you
Yes,
ready? Okay. Just speak.
Hi everyone. Today, as you all know, we have to speak something on ourselves. But every time we hear about somebody, we just overthink we become judgmental. I want you to judge what I am doing.
No, Anjali. No. आपको simple 3 lines you have to give. Your name, you're from where, and what is your profession. Bas. Please
Ma'am,
mute.
can
Please
I?
mute. Please mute. Yes.
Ma'am,
Okay,
shall I?
Kabita. Ek minute. Okay. Kabita is there and Anjana is there. Okay.
Yeah.
I'm Prajoti. Okay, I'm taking 3 names and I'm just giving the spotlight. Just wait, guys.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and Anjana is also there. Okay, yes. Yes, start with the Kavita. Yes, Kavita.
Yes. Yes. Wonderful evening, everyone. I am Kavita Sinha. I am from Sapno Ka Shahar, Mumbai, where no
City of
one
dreams, city
sleeps,
of dreams.
everyone only eats and have party. And no one stops here. Everyone is working 24/7. There is no rest. Always dream and focus on your dream. And nothing beside the dream. Always you have to chase the dream. Follow.
Kavita, my dear Kavita, you don't
Yes.
have to speak on the Mumbai. You have to speak on yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Mumbai पे इतना बस simple बोला. Hey guys, I'm Kavita. I'm from the city of the dreams. Khatam, full stop.
Yes.
Yes, yes.
ठीक है? And you are see बोलो. You are in which profession? So see, I am into the profession. I am into the profession. Then speak.
Okay.
हाँ, कौन से profession में हो आप?
Homemaker.
हाँ, तो
I
आप
am
homemaker.
homemaker.
आप ऐसे
Yes.
बोलोगे I am a homemaker. नहीं, आपको कैसे बोलना है? I am the CEO of the house.
Yes.
I'm the CEO of the house. Okay? I'm the real boss of my house.
Yeah.
Okay? So in this way you have to speak.
I'm the queen of house.
Savings would be
Okay.
Queen of kitchen, ma'am.
हाँ, queen of kitchen. सिर्फ किचन के क्यों होते हैं क्या यार? Housewife. हमसे तो ना बनता इतना खाना. चलो. Okay, Anjana. Well tried, Kavita लेकिन. Yes, Anjana.
Yes. My name is Anjana Chaudhary and I'm from Galpriabad and I'm into the profession who do wrong things. I will send them into Bade Ghar. You know what is Bade Ghar?
Police station.
Yes.
You are in police services.
I will go them in jail. Who
Yeah.
do wrong things?
एक अंजना सॉरी डियर बीइंग अ ग्रामर कोच एक चीज रेक्टिफाई कराऊंगी हु के साथ डू नहीं आता हु डस ठीक है एक तो ये चीज को ध्यान रखो ठीक है हु डस ठीक है वट एवर द प्रोफेशन यू हैव स्पोकन बट अंजना इसको थोड़ा सा और ह्यूमर में देखो गाइस इन टुडे सेशन आई एम जस्ट शेयरिंग सम टिप्स एंड टेक्निक्स यू आर ऑल द मास्टर्स ऑफ योर प्रोफेशन नाउ यू विल लर्न कि हाउ यू कैन मेक योर प्रोफेशन मोर ह्यूमरस नथिंग एल्स but at least I'm very happy guys at least you are trying this is commendable very nice Anjana you are okay अब गाजियाबाद अंजना अब आपको क्या करना था सिंपल गाजियाबाद नहीं अब जैसे कविता ने बोला ना सिटी ऑफ ड्रीम्स ऐसे ही आपको कोई गाजियाबाद का कुछ स्लोगन आपको पता होना चाहिए एनीथिंग विच इज अ स्पेशल इन दिस okay so that you have to learn yes Prajyoti
Yes ma'am Hello everyone, a wonderful evening to all of you. My name is Prajyoti Sarkar. I am from the place of Rabindranath Tagore where our national anthem was written and I am an engineer but right now I am working as a domestic engineer. Thank you so much.
Okay well tried so you are from the West Bengal
Yes, ma'am.
So you can also say I'm from the city of
Rasgulla.
Yes.
No, ma'am. Actually, not from proper Kolkata, na. That's why I have used it.
प्रज्योति देखो कितना हमारे को तो ये पता है देखो वेस्ट बंगाल तुम उसके आसपास की जगह बोलोगे हमें नहीं पता चलेगा हमें तो बस रोशोगुल्ला पता है ओके वेल ट्राइड गाइस यस सुधा
Yes, ma'am. Good
same.
evening, all of you. Very good evening. I am from city of Mahakaleshwar, Madhya Pradesh, Ujjain.
Very nice.
So it is very well known for Mahakaleshwar and city of Singhast Mela. My profession was a professor in government college for 44 years and 1 year as a principal in government college. Now, before 6 months, I got my retirement and I'm very lucky now among to all of you. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay. Well said. Ms. Sudha, you are from such a very top-notch position. You are the principal. Okay. But again, I'm saying how to make your intro more humorous. That you should learn. Suppose, देखो guys, देखो, everyone is a master and I don't know the every profession. Okay. I know my profession, so I can just add, like, for example, suppose I'm a teacher. How many of them, of you are the teachers in this group? Teachers हैं कोई? Shilpa is a teacher.
Yes,
हाँ,
I am.
Shilpa जी. हाँ, okay, Manisha, you are also there. So, if you are a teacher, so how you can say, hey, I am into the profession where I can make learning like a Netflix show, very engaging and very interesting. Okay, I'm into the profession where I can make the learning like a Netflix show. Guys, this is my favorite show, Netflix. ठीक है? Whatever you have, you can add your. ठीक है? सबके आगे आपको Netflix नहीं बोलना. ठीक है? I'm very fond of Netflix, so that's why मेरे most of the
सब
examples
Netflix
are
वाले हो
taken from the
जाएंगे अभी.
Netflix. हाँ. So you can take your examples. Suppose, Ravindra, you are from the IT sector?
No, ma'am. Pharma, sales
Pharma
executive.
center. Okay. Anyone who is from the IT sector? Corporate से जो हो? अब I don't know, Ravindra, will you be able to manage the work life? Suppose, Ravindra, you are some noise. Urmila, please mute.
Okay.
Please mute. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Yeah. So, suppose I'm into the IT sector or the corporate sector. Okay. So, what I can say here, I'm Komal. I'm from the Dedi Dilwalogi, and I'm into the profession where I know each shortcut except the work-life balance. क्योंकि IT sectors का problem क्या होता है? I don't know about the Ravindra, about your profession, work-life balance manage कर पाते हो या नहीं? But I have seen the corporates, they are not able to manage their work-life balance.
Work-life, yes.
Right? So then you can see, if you are in a banker, so every profession has. अब इसको हम कर सके, guys, we are blessed to have the ChatGPT with us. So what you can do, you just take the help of the ChatGPT. Hey, this is my profession and I have to make this profession into little humorous. So ChatGPT will give some options. At least retain one option into your mind. Okay, that you should know, guys. This is important. Okay, so let's start. As I already told you guys, humor is a right brain activity. Humor is a right brain activity. Right brain activity means
Creative.
Huh?
Creative thoughts.
Creative.
Logical, no, ma'am.
Imaginative.
Huh?
Logical thinking.
No.
Logical.
Imaginative and creative.
Creative and imaginative. Out of the box. Someone who is logged in with the name of iPhone who has worn the green color suit. Dear, please let me know your name so that I can also ask from you. Unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Good
what's your
evening.
name?
Priya.
Priya. Okay.
Yeah.
So Priya, what do you mean by right brain activity?
Creativity.
Creativity. Okay. So humor क्या है? Humor is not a left brain activity. Humor आप बहुत ज़्यादा पढ़ के आप नहीं सीख सकते. This is a right brain activity. So you have to stimulate your right brain more. अब क्वेश्चन आता है how? हम कह तो देते हैं कि neuroscience, you have to activate your right brain, you have to activate your right brain. But how? How to activate your left brain? अच्छा चलो let's start. Jayjit, how to activate your left brain? कैसे हम अपना लेफ्ट ब्रेन एक्टिवेट कर सकते हैं? Let him speak. Yes, Jayjit.
Left brain is our logical brain. कोई भी सब्जेक्ट को देख के मतलब समझ के बस.
Okay. Ravindra.
Yes, ma'am. Think before speaking. बोलने से पहले आप एक बार सोचते हैं, देन उसके बाद.
अच्छा, सोचने के लिए क्या होना चाहिए रविंद्र माइंड में?
राइट ब्रेन.
No, left brain.
लॉजिक्स मैम.
लॉजिक्स कैसे डेवलप करोगे? हाउ टू डेवलप द लॉजिक्स?
वो तो एवरी मोमेंट आ जाता है मैम.
मैम लर्निंग
से कैसे लर्निंग कर सकते हैं अंजलि? कैसे कर सकते हैं लर्निंग?
मैम रीडिंग बुक्स.
रीडिंग. Guys, see. I'm taking the communication example. You are all learning to learn this communication skill. Right. So we are all learning. Yes, 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 Sudhaji, I'm getting your point. So, but first, at least now you should know, guys, there are the two brains, left brain, right brain. लेफ्ट ब्रेन को सिंपल सा क्वेश्चन था, हाउ टू एक्टिवेट योर लेफ्ट ब्रेन. लेफ्ट ब्रेन का मतलब होता है कंटेंट. आप बोलोगे क्या, वर्ड्स क्या हैं, स्ट्रक्चर्स क्या हैं, सेंटेंसेस के वोकैबुलरी क्या है, ये सारा आपका लेफ्ट ब्रेन है.
ओके.
कंटेंट जो भी हम बोलते हैं, दीज आर ऑल द लेफ्ट ब्रेन. अब वो लेफ्ट ब्रेन आप कैसे बोल सकते हो? बाय रीडिंग, बाय लिसनिंग. दीज आर ऑल द इनपुट्स. आप जितने ज्यादा रीड करोगे उतना ज्यादा वर्ड्स आप बोल सकते हो, जितना ज्यादा वोकैबुलरी पढ़ोगे उतना ज्यादा बोल सकते हो, जितने ज्यादा ईडियम्स के ऊपर वर्क करोगे, यू कैन मेक योर कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स अप टू दिस लेवल. लिसनिंग, लिसनिंग. तभी हम कहते हैं ना, इफ यू रियली वांट टू वर्क ऑन योर कम्युनिकेशन स्किल, स्टार्ट लिसनिंग गुड मूवीज. हिंदी की, भोजपुरी मूवीज की बात नहीं कर रही हूं मैं, इंग्लिश मूवीज सुनो ज्यादा से ज्यादा. ट्राई टू लिसन द गुड पॉडकास्ट. हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू आर लिसनिंग द पॉडकास्ट? पॉडकास्ट, छोटे छोटे पॉडकास्ट होते हैं. अब क्वेश्चन आता है, जयजीत इज सेइंग, अरे मैम मेरा तो इंटरेस्ट ही नहीं है, टाइम ही नहीं है. इंटरेस्ट भी छोड़ो मैम, टाइम ही नहीं है. बट नो जयजीत, पॉडकास्ट, ठीक है, छोटे छोटे पॉडकास्ट होते हैं. फर्स्ट स्टार्ट विद योर ओन इंटरेस्ट, इन विच आपको फैशन में इंटरेस्ट है, आपको बॉलीवुड में इंटरेस्ट है, आपको पॉलिटिक्स में इंटरेस्ट है, स्टार्ट लिसनिंग. छोटे छोटे पॉडकास्ट होते हैं, ठीक है. यू जस्ट टॉक विद योर कोचेस गाइस, दे विल डेफिनेटली गाइड यू.
यूट्यूब पे डालिए
यूट्यूब पे डालो, सब चीजें मिल जाता है,
यूट्यूब पे मिल जाएगा. यस यस.
बट दीज आर द
वी ऑल फाउंड दैट.
हाँ, बट दीज आर द इनपुट्स टू इनकलकेट योर लेफ्ट ब्रेन. भाई लेफ्ट ब्रेन भी तो होना चाहिए. सिर्फ मेरे को बॉडी जेस्टर्स पे और हंसा हंसा के ऑडियंस को मुझे क्या करना है, अनलेस एंड अनटिल इफ आई एम नॉट एबल टू डिलीवर द कंटेंट. तो दोनों, इफ यू रियली वांट टू वर्क ऑन योर कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स, देयर मस्ट बी अ बैलेंस बिटवीन द लेफ्ट ब्रेन एज वेल एज द राइट ब्रेन. आपके पास कंटेंट नहीं होगा गाइस, यू कैन नॉट इम्प्रेस योर ऑडियंस. अगर आपके पास कंटेंट है बट आपको यू डोंट नो कि हाउ टू प्रेजेंट दैट कंटेंट इन अ वेरी इफेक्टिव वे, बिकम्स वेरी मोनोटनस. बड़ा बोर लगेगा, अगली क्लास में आएंगे ही नहीं. ठीक है, क्लियर जयजीत, हाउ टू इनकलकेट द लेफ्ट ब्रेन?
हाँ मैडम, एक्चुअली लेफ्ट ब्रेन देखते हैं एक्टिवेट करने के लिए.
अच्छा अच्छा, मैं अपने टॉपिक पे आ रही हूँ, मैं अपने टॉपिक पे आ रही हूँ. नाउ टॉपिक क्या कर रहे हैं हम? ह्यूमर का. अब क्वेश्चन मेरा टॉपिक पे आ रही हूं कि गाइस हाउ टू, अब मैंने बोल तो दिया कि ह्यूमर इज अ राइट ब्रेन एक्टिविटी, यू नीड टू लर्न हाउ टू एक्टिवेट योर राइट ब्रेन. तो ह्यूमर को इनकलकेट करने के लिए अपने बिहेवियर के अंदर, व्हाट आर द राइट ब्रेन एक्टिविटीज? भाई सपोज करो मेरे को शिल्पा कह रही है, माधवी कह रही है, रंजीता कह रही है, प्रिया कह रही है, अरे मैम वी आर वेरी सीरियस, मैम हम हंसते नहीं है, हंसेंगे तो हमसे टैक्स लिया जाएगा, वी आर वेरी साइलेंट पर्सन. ठीक है, राइट. नाउ गाइस, हाउ टू इनकलकेट. देखो, अगर आपके अंदर वो एबिलिटी नहीं है तो आपको वो एबिलिटी सीखनी पड़ेगी. सीखनी पड़ेगी तो यू हैव टू लर्न सम टिप्स, यू हैव टू लर्न सम टेक्निक्स. ठीक है, मैं बताती हूँ गाइस. सी हाउ टू इनकलकेट द राइट ब्रेन व्हाइल यूजिंग ह्यूमर. सबसे पहले होता है आपका, अभी आई विल शेयर सम टिप्स आल्सो, बट मेजरली आई विल टेल यू ऑब्जर्वेशन. यू मस्ट बी अ वेरी गुड ऑब्जर्वर.
यस मैम. फ्री थिंकिंग. फ्री थिंकिंग मैम, इमेजिनेशन, विजुअलाइजेशन.
हाँ, लेकिन सबसे पहले नहीं, वो तो हम करेंगे, लेकिन रंजीता उसके लिए भी ना हमारे पास एक कंटेंट होना चाहिए.
यस यस.
या तो यू आर ब्लेस्ड, या तो देखो एक क्राइटेरिया क्या है, यू आर ब्लेस्ड कि बाय बर्थ ही आप बहुत ज्यादा, यू आर द ह्यूमरस पर्सनालिटी, दैट इज अ डिफरेंट थिंग. बट सपोज आई डोंट हैव दिस स्किल, सो आई हैव टू लर्न. तो वो लर्निंग में कहां से करूंगी? लर्निंग का पहला है ऑब्जर्वर. यू मस्ट बी अ ग्रेट ऑब्जर्वर. ठीक है, इफ यू आर सिटिंग इन अ ट्रेन, इफ यू आर सिटिंग इन द मेट्रोज, इफ यू आर सिटिंग इन द बस, आपको कहीं पर भी कोई भी अच्छा सा टैगलाइन लिखता है, उसको फोटो क्लिक कर लो उसका. कभी कभार हम देखते हैं ना, हम जा रहे होते हैं, ट्रक के पीछे काफी अच्छी अच्छी लाइंस लिखी होती है, हमें उस समय पढ़ के हमें बड़ी अच्छी लगती हैं, लेकिन हम याद नहीं रहता. फिर हमारे पास इसकी, मैडम अब हम कॉपी पेंसिल थोड़ी लेके चलेंगे, भैया फोन तो है, एक क्लिक कर लो फोटो. यू मस्ट बी वेरी अवेयर कि आपके आसपास कौन से लोग बैठे हैं। देखो, आई विजिटेड मुंबई इन द मंथ ऑफ फैब। तो फर्स्ट टाइम आई ट्रेवल्ड थ्रू द ट्रैम्स, वो जो उनकी लोकल ट्रैम्स होती है, तो व्हाट आई हैव सीन, बड़ा अलग अलग टाइप के मासेस उन ट्रेन्स में होते हैं, एंड दे स्टार्ट लाफिंग एंड चैटिंग। तो आपको कान बंद करके डीट लगा के नहीं बैठना। यू मस्ट बी अवेयर कि अगर कुछ अच्छी बातें होती हैं तो यू जस्ट अवेयर एंड
Listen.
जस्ट इनकलकेट into your behavior. Start working on the good punchlines, some taglines, slogans. छोटे छोटे slogans होते हैं. You can start using all these things.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Jokes, light-hearted jokes. अब jokes का मतलब यहाँ पर ये नहीं है कि मेरे को कपिल शर्मा, नेक्स्ट कपिल शर्मा मेरे को ही बनना है। नहीं, आई एम नॉट अ स्टैंड अप कॉमेडियन, राइट? यहाँ पर जोक्स का मतलब होता है लाइट हार्टेड जोक्स. You have to crack so that you grasp the attention of your audience. But jokes must be related to the topic.
Yes, relevant.
आप जिस इवेंट के लिए आ रहे हैं उस इवेंट से रिलेटेड you must crack some light-hearted jokes. And I always say, guys, if you have that skill कि you are able to crack the jokes, so always crack the jokes on yourself, because you never know कि if you are cracking the jokes सामने वाले को अच्छा लगे या ना. So if you see the stand-up comedians also, they always take examples of themselves.
Yes, ma'am.
Learn, listen some good comedy shows. Listen some good comedy shows also. These are the inputs, guys. These are ये जो मैंने बताया ना, observation, awareness, punchlines, taglines, slogans, light-hearted jokes. ये सारे inputs हैं. These are all the inputs. Okay?
Yes.
Now.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
When we collect these input from other side, so how we can say it's due to our creative mind, means right brain?
No. Siddha, first you have to take the inputs from others, then you have to use your own right brain. You have to use your own creativity. Okay? And then you can inculcate into your behavior. Right? Suppose, guys, see, I'm just taking the practical applications of the humor. What's the time, guys?
8:15, ma'am.
हाँ, तो जल्दी से खत्म करना है. चलो,
No,
let's
we
start.
don't have to
Can
go.
we get the recording also so that we should
Please.
not take the picture?
Yeah, I will. The recording is
Yeah,
going on.
thank you.
Okay. Now, guys, there are the three types of communication. Can anyone tell me what are the three types of communication?
Witty
Witty
one-liner,
one-liner.
playful teasing, exaggeration.
मतलब मनीषा जी, जो भी whatever is coming onto the screen, just उसको पढ़ दो.
Yes.
No. What are the three types of communication?
Sign gesture, speaking.
Expressing your idea, listening.
Expressions.
There are the three types of communication, my dear students. One is the verbal communication, second is the
verbal,
non-verbal,
non-verbal.
and third is the written communication.
Written.
तो आपने बोले ना मनीषा जी, वो इनके अंदर आ रहे हैं, but majorly there are the three types of communication: verbal, non-verbal, and
Verbal.
written communication.
Okay.
Verbal communication का मतलब क्या होता है?
Through words. We
Yes.
through
When
words.
we
We can
are
express through
communicate,
words.
yes, when we are communicate through the
Speaking.
spoken words.
Speaking.
When we are communicate through the spoken words, through the speaking, so it means that is a verbal communication.
Verbal.
Now the question is how we can use humor by using this verbal communication. Verbal communication में हम humor को कैसे use करते हैं? So guys, ये आपके tips हैं, ये आपके tricks हैं. First trick है आपका witty one-liner. Witty one-liner. Now, Sudha ji, ये हैं आपके जो आप कह रहे थे ना कि how we can use. These are the some tricks. The first is witty one-liner. Witty one-liner क्या होता है? These are the short, clever and the humorous remarks होते हैं. छोटे छोटे comments होते हैं हमारे. Okay, that you have to use. Like for example, my son's exams are approaching. Okay, and he is not studying at all. Then I will say कि भाई exams आ रहे हैं, your exams are approaching, so please do harder, please study harder. Why you are so much lazy? Next day you have the accounts exam, so why you are so much? Devesh, where is Devesh? Devesh is in the session. Just take the Devesh. Are you there? Acha, Devesha has left. Okay. So why we are taking, why you are not taking interest? Okay. Why you are so lazy? Now the question, now the reply I'm getting from him. Mama, I'm not lazy. I'm on the energy saving mode.
Very good.
Mama, I'm not lazy. I'm on the energy saving mode. Although he's a lazy, he's doing the same thing as a lazy person does. But what he said, I'm not lazy, Mama, I'm on the energy saving mode. And once he spoke these lines to me, I started little bit laugh, smile. There is a smile on my face. Okay.
When I asked to my niece that why are you not studying, you need to study. पढ़ोगे नहीं तो क्या छोले बेचोगे? तो कहती yes, I like to. मैं छोले बेचूंगी.
Right. So these are the witty.
I asked my son, ma'am. I asked my son why you are lay down. So he asked me, Mom, I'm not lay down. I am standing horizontally.
I'm standing horizontally. Very good. I'm standing horizontally. So this is, guys, these are the witty one-liners which can make our environment more interesting and more enjoyable. Okay. Samreen, please mute. Okay. Playful teasing. Playful teasing का मतलब होता है खेल खेल में थोड़ा सा छेड़ देना, टीज करना किसी को. Suppose रविंद्र, आपके बॉस ने आपको कोई प्रोजेक्ट दिया है and you have completed that project but after 3 deadlines. ठीक है, आपने वो प्रोजेक्ट कंप्लीट करा है, you have completed that project but after giving 3 deadlines. So then what your boss will say, oh wow Ravindra, congratulations, you have almost finished the task, only the 3 deadlines late. ठीक है, उन्होंने अपनी बात बोल भी दी है,
रख भी दिया,
even you can also apply with your team members also. Suppose you assigning any task to your team members and they have submitted it, so then you can, oh wow, you have almost submitted the task but only the 2 deadlines late. Okay, तुमको समझ आ जाएगा भैया, अगली बार से बॉस को मेरे को टाइम से देना है, नहीं तो फिर से एक विटी वन लाइनर कमेंट आ जाएगा सर का. Are you always funny or it's just a lucky day for me? So I have written exaggeration. Priya, what do you mean by exaggeration? Any idea?
Give some odd example.
Expand something.
Exaggeration means? Yes, Rajesh, क्या कह रहे हैं राजेश आप? Exaggeration?
फैला देना, एक्सटेंड कर देना,
बड़ा चढ़ा कर बोलना. छोटी सी बात है उसको बड़ा चढ़ा के बोलना. Suppose करो I'm coming back from my office and I'm feeling very hungry. I always say, even our kids are always say, Mama, I'm very hungry. Okay. But if he will say, oh Mama, I'm so hungry, I could eat an elephant. Although it is not possible, Dad, how could you eat an elephant? But this is an exaggeration we are showing by saying this statement, ki what is the intensity of my hunger?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the intensity of my hunger? My math teacher is so strict, even the calculators are afraid of him. Like, although you know math teachers are always strict, so but if he will say, na, the math teacher is so strict. Shilpa, which subject do you teach?
Mathematics, ma'am.
Mathematics. देखो Shilpa आपके लिए है ये बिल्कुल. Now the Shilpa is say, Shilpa, if the students are saying, oh my God, ma'am, our Shilpa ma'am is so strict, then I will say, so what, Mama, you know, even the calculators are afraid of her. इतनी strict है कि calculators भी डरते हैं. So this is a exaggeration. Jayjeet, Anjana, Sangeeta, Rashri, Sunanda, Athar, Sumaya, are you guys getting? Just show me the virtual thumbs up, guys.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, the second आता है हमारा non-verbal communication. Non-verbal communication मतलब क्या होता है, guys? What do you mean by non-verbal communication?
Expressions.
Yes.
Body language.
Yes.
Expression, hand gesture.
Yes, all comes your
expressions, ma'am.
non-verbal communication. Guys,
Yes,
non-verbal
without saying anything.
communication plays a very important role if you are using humor. आपका वॉइस टोन, आपका वॉइस का टोनालिटी, आपका आईज का एक्सप्रेशंस, आपका स्माइल, everything
Body language.
matters. Yes, these are all the body language. Everything matters. If you are inculcating the humor in a very serious mode, so trust me, you cannot make laugh others. Please mute. You cannot make laugh others. So everything matter. Written communication, verbal, non-verbal communication is very important. ठीक है? So start. If you are using, देखो अब आता है क्वेश्चन कि मैम मैम आप कह रहे हो कि हमारे को ह्यूमर बोलना है. समटाइम्स इट हैपेंस कि वंस वी स्टार्ट स्पीकिंग इन इंग्लिश हम इतने कॉन्शियस हो जाते हैं कि वी फॉरगेट ईच एंड एवरीथिंग. और ऊपर से आप कह रहे हो कि ह्यूमर का भी तड़का डाल दो इसके अंदर. बट गाइज अगेन आई एम सेइंग दिस इज अ स्किल. यू हैव टू लर्न बाय प्रैक्टिस. एंड ह्यूमर के लिए सबसे ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट क्या है गाइज? यू नो देयर आर 3 ईगो स्टेट. आपने पढ़ा है 3 ईगो स्टेट न्यूरोसाइंस में?
अभी नो मैम.
अच्छा,
It's
there are
not.
3 ego state. अच्छा चलो, मैं I'm not talking about that. There is a 1 ego state, the child ego state. The child ego state, guys, if you really want to inculcate this skill into your behavior, please don't kill your child ego state. Child
ईगो
ego,
सुपर ईगो मैम.
no, child ego state. Child ego state क्या होता है? जो जैसे बच्चों के अंदर देखा है तुमने, एक क्रिएटिविटी होती है, एक चंचलपन होता है. Same
ma'am.
goes if you really want to inculcate that skill into your behavior. So try to develop your child ego state. Okay, in the coming future, definitely you will get one session on the child ego state. So then you will learn how to develop your child ego state. Okay, so but child ego state is very much important if you really want to learn humor into your talk. And the last is written. Written होता है whenever you are writing. Written के लिए आप witty text use कर सकते हैं, आप funny memes भेज सकते हैं. You can share the funny memes. You can use humor. I promise this email is shorter than my grocery list. Okay, suppose you are writing, sending some email to others, and the email content is very lengthy. If you are sharing that email, trust me, the other person won't be able to open. But if you write some catchy caption into the caption box, trust me, this email is shorter than my grocery list. So definitely capture the attention. और एक बार तो वो खोल के देखेगा ही देखेगा. Right? Sharing some jokes or the one-liner punches, जैसे मैं हमेशा कहती हूँ, पिक्चर तो अभी बाकी है दोस्त. ठीक है, ये तो दिस इज जस्ट द ट्रेलर, पिक्चर तो अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त. तो दीज आर ऑल द रिटन कम्युनिकेशन. ओके, अब क्वेश्चन आता है कि मैम ओनली द नॉर्मल पर्सन यूज दिस ह्यूमर? नो guys, this humor skill is used by the celebrities, by the influencers, by the actors, by our honorable Prime Minister Modi ji. Why Modi ji is so much popular in the masses? Why? What is the main skill you have seen in Modi ji?
He connects with the audience.
He connects with the people.
Modi ji is able to connect with the audience.
He become very simple.
नहीं, सिंपल तो ठीक है, सिंपल तो राहुल गांधी जी भी हैं हमारे, लेकिन बट ही इज नॉट एबल टू कनेक्ट विद द ऑडियंस. So this is a skill in Modi ji ki that he is able to connect with the audience.
Whenever he goes for the speech anywhere, he always speaks 1 or 2 liner in that particular language. And
Yes.
the famous thing, he always connect the people
People.
with the language
Actually,
and the
वो भी क्या है, वो भी एक हमारा ह्यूमर का स्किल है कि
Yes.
हाउ टू कनेक्ट विद द पीपल. सपोज गाइस, अभी यहाँ पर सारे हमारे इंग्लिश ही होते हैं, जिनको हिंदी नहीं आता, तो डेफिनेटली आई वोंट यूज एनी सिंगल वर्ड इन हिंदी. But I know there is a mixed crowd who knows a bilingual language. So how I connect with you more with my native language?
मैम इसलिए तो हम लोग कनेक्ट हो रहे हैं आपसे बहुत
हाँ, नहीं, हिंदी
ज्यादा.
नहीं सीखना है यहाँ पर, इंग्लिश
नहीं
सीखना
मैम, भाई वो बात नहीं है, लेकिन वो स्किल जो है ना आप में वो बहुत भारी है.
भारी है.
अच्छा है,
अच्छा,
भारी है, महाराष्ट्रियन.
अच्छा चलो, अब सुनो,
अच्छा है.
अच्छा अब नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू शेयर वन वीडियो. I'm going to share one video, but before sharing that video with my folded hand, please mute everyone, because I have downloaded that video from the YouTube. So I don't know about the sound quality, but you can only be able if everyone be on mute. Now see, I'm going to share one video, guys. See the body gestures, see the smile, see the hand gestures, see, listen the content also. Ready?
अहमदाबादी लोगों के लिए कहा जाता है, ये अहमदाबादी इसलिए बता रहा हूँ, उनके लिए कहा जाता है, यानी कोई बुरा मत माने, क्योंकि आजकल ऐसा है कुछ भी बात बड़ा विवाद का विषय बन जाती है, लेकिन ये बचपन में जो सुनते थे वो मैं बता रहा हूं, मैं मानता नहीं हूं। एक बार रेलवे प्लेटफॉर्म पर ट्रेन आई, तो उसमें जो पैसेंजर था वो ऊपर के बर्थ पर था, तो उसने बाहर खिड़की में पूछा कि भाई कौन सा स्टेशन आया है, तो बाहर वाले ने कहा 4 आना दोगे तो बताऊंगा। तो उसने कहा मत बताओ, ये अहमदाबादी होगा, और अहमदाबादी है तो बेस कैसे बनाना, इसमें एक्सपर्टाइज होती है। ये अहमदाबादी लोग एक भी चीज फालतू छोड़ते ही नहीं है। धन्यवाद जी। माइक दे दी क्या? देखिए लोग मेरा सुन सुन के थक जाते हैं।
बिल्कुल सर।
अच्छा, थक जाते हैं ना?
नहीं 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 नहीं।
I will share the whole recording. So guys, what you have learned, what you have seen from this video. Have you seen the masses? Have you seen the people? What are the three things you have learned? Okay, one by one. Yes. Please raise the hand so that I get to. Okay, Anjali. Anjali, any one thing which you learned?
Ma'am, audience was laughing. They were not serious.
They serious in the sense they are serious, but they are enjoying. Don't say they are laughing. They are enjoying.
They were enjoying,
They are.
and they were, and even the recipient of the award was also involved in the conversation with the.
Yes. Okay,
He was
okay.
not just given. She was not just given delivered the prize. She was recognized by the Prime Minister. She shared the stage with the Prime Minister. It was honor for her.
नहीं, ऑनर तो ठीक है शिल्पा, अंजलि, लेकिन अभी हम सिर्फ बात किसके कर रहे हैं? हाँ, ओके, हाँ.
But I want to say, ma'am, when we receive any award, we just come on the stage and take our award and come back.
Because उस समय कौन खड़े हैं आपके साथ? It matters. प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी. So whatever he is asking the question, she was reverting back in the same tone.
Yes.
Okay. Yes, Shilpa. Okay, dear.
Memorable.
Okay. Yes, Shilpa.
Ma'am, audience were recording and clicking the photograph of the Modi ji.
Why?
Because they enjoyed the.
Yes, because they were enjoying. Any more things? Okay, any more things which anyone has observed?
Yeah, actually, I want to say one thing. The audience was sincere and calmly listening, and Prime Minister was appreciating the recipient of the award because that person belongs to the Gujarat. So he connected the state and the
He's
ability.
connected that. But have you listened what he has just presented the whole situation with a light-hearted joke. Light-hearted joke.
Yeah.
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes, Sudhaji.
First, Modi ji create interest in public for listening him. Then he ask their content in interesting way.
Yes.
So people enjoyed, and not only for those, he asked his talk in impressive way and always create platform for other Maithili. Now
that is okay, but only the thing is, guys, he made
the recipient was Gujarati, and it is world known that Gujaratis are the best businessmen. So that is why he connected the joke.
He connected. So light-hearted. देखो guys, see. I'm just pinpointing my topic. Okay, although it's a very vast topic, but I'm just coming to my topic, humor. So what you should give me the answer कि what you have analyzed related to the humor. So
he
humor
put her content with the spices.
Yes, because he used the content with the spices. He used some light-hearted jokes. ठीक है, जैसे उन्होंने कहा था, अरे माइक दे दीजिए, मेरा तो कोई सुनता ही नहीं है. उन्होंने बोला yes. अच्छा, सब मेरा नहीं सुनते ना. उन्होंने एकदम से on the spot उनका आंसर करा. Body gestures, have you gone through with the body gestures of Modi ji? Smiling, tone, gestures. Serious होके वो नहीं बोल रहे थे. He was not speaking. So that is also the humor. That is also the
Some body language, hand movement.
yes, yes, yes. It all
Hand movement
matters.
upper one berth window from the height. The hand movement is according to.
Now,
Yeah, yeah.
humor in the professional settings, guys. I'm just taking some professional topics where you can apply the humor and how you can apply the humor. Okay, I'm giving you some glimpse. I'm just giving you the idea, guys. You're all the masters of your profession. You can take the help and make your humor that fits into your professions. Now, suppose there is a PPT. This is a PPT. This is a slide. Okay. And this slide, if I will show this slide in front of you, so what is coming into your mind? Oh my God, again, this is a slide with full of data, full of graphs. है ना? So oh my God.
Details. and
Details, numbers इतने हैं इसके अंदर.
laws,
So,
upgrades.
so again, I have to
I
spend
have to
my-
explain the situation.
Okay. Now again, I have to spend my 1 hour in this. Okay. But this is a business prerequisite कि that you have to deliver this presentation. आपको ये deliver करना है presentation. But if you will show this presentation in the front of the audience, your audience will not take so much interest. They will treat this presentation as a burden. As a burden. So what you can say, देखो guys, I am saying कि you cannot deny to show this presentation. इस presentation की जगह आप कोई cartoon movie तो नहीं चला सकते, because you have to run your business also. So this is mandatory that you have to show this PPT. So, but once you will show this PPT, just take few seconds pause and just move towards your audience, and then you can say, hey, don't worry guys, because every your audience is seeing like this. Then you can say, hey guys, don't worry, there is no quiz after this slide, so don't take any tension. Why? Because everyone is watching this slide in this way. Okay, picture abhi baki hai mere dost. This slide is just a trailer. So just to break the ice, just to make the environment little bit enjoyable. Getting?
Oh.
Suppose there is a meeting. Suppose there is a meeting. Okay. In a meeting, then you have to say, guys, again, this is a business prerequisite that you have to attend the meeting. But if you will say, ki, hey guys, today you have a meeting. So again, the member will think, again, there is a Monday now, the boss is conducting the meeting. So what you can say, I promise guys to keep this meeting as short and as sweet as just like the coffee breaks. Coffee breaks. Agar suppose there is a team meeting, so then you can say, hey guys, don't sit like mummies. Please share your thoughts. Mummies का मतलब?
Quiet. No speaking.
Mummies, वो जो इजिप्ट की mummies होती हैं.
Quiet.
हाँ.
No response.
ठीक है. So hey guys, don't sit
Keep
like
quiet.
mummies. Please share your thoughts. Suppose this is a virtual meeting. So we always say, hey guys, please switch on your camera. Please switch on your camera. Okay. So what you can say, hey guys, please turn your camera and smile occasionally so that I get to know whether you are awake or not.
Yeah, you have not pasted a picture in front of the screen.
Yes. But we always say, hey guys, please turn on your camera. Please turn on your camera. What you can say, hey guys, please turn on your camera and smile occasionally so that I get to know whether you are awake or not. Okay.
Or how many tits are there in your mouth?
Suppose you are the teachers. Suppose humor is used by the teachers. Teachers है. आप suppose करो teacher है वो session लेना चाह रही है. If the teacher is saying, if the Shilpa is saying, hey guys, now I am going to discuss one very important topic, trigonometry in mathematics. So please, I appreciate everyone listen to me very carefully. Shilpa, do you really think so? Your students will listen you? No. ठीक है. So how you can add the humor? You can just say, hey guys, let's take this session more interesting. Let's take this topic more interesting. Just then your Insta Reels. Every teenager is watching the Insta nowadays. Okay, so then you can say, your handwriting is so creative, even I cannot read it. Okay, मतलब handwriting जो है student की इतनी बेकार है, no one can understand. But instead of saying your handwriting is too bad, what you can say, oh, your handwriting is so creative, even I cannot read it. So automatically it captures the attention of the student. नहीं तो अगर आप स्टूडेंट के आगे ऐसे बोलेंगे ना, oh my God, your handwriting is too bad. Student, trust me, he won't listen. लेकिन आप जैसे ही बोलेंगे ना, ओ योर हैंड राइटिंग इज सो क्रिएटिव, इवन आई कैन नॉट रीड, सो डेफिनेटली ही विल अंडरस्टैंड. Okay. So these are the some points, guys, I will share. So you just go through with it. Suppose you are coming for the PTM. You cannot say this thing. If you will say this thing, ma'am, your child is nothing. Okay, he doesn't do any homework in the sessions. Okay, even the parent is not taking the interest, even the child is not taking the interest. So what you can say, ma'am, you know your child is so creative to find the new ways of not doing the homework. आपका चाइल्ड इतना क्रिएटिव है कि वो नए नए तरीके ढूंढता है कि कैसे होमवर्क ना किया जाए. योर चाइल्ड प्रोग्रेस इज लाइक अ रोलर कोस्टर, कभी अप कभी डाउन, कभी अप कभी डाउन. Okay, so these are the things. So what is humor and what is humor is not. Humor doesn't means to crack the jokes. Humor का मतलब नहीं है कि सिर्फ jokes crack करना है. This is very important, guys. When you are cracking the humor, it should be automatically. It should be natural. Rajesh, just like the natural Neha ma'am. Okay, so it should be coming naturally. आपको script पढ़ के याद करके नहीं बोलना. You have to do lot of practice so that it comes naturally. You cannot make the fun of others. You have to understand the audience culture. What does it mean? You have to understand the audience culture. Madhvi, what does it mean? Audience culture?
What audience mood? What type of audience?
What they like to listen.
What
Yes,
type
ma'am.
of audience?
Which type?
Suppose I'm just going to deliver one presentation where my audience is teenagers. So I have to inculcate the humor according to their culture. Suppose I'm going to deliver my talk to the non-Asians. मैं सऊदी में जाके कोई प्रेजेंटेशन दे रही हूँ, तो आई हैव टू इनकलकेट द ह्यूमर अकॉर्डिंग टू देयर कल्चर. मैं सेम कल्चर का ह्यूमर आई कैन नॉट ऐड. सो यू मस्ट अंडरस्टैंड योर ऑडियंस बिफोर डिलीवरिंग द ह्यूमर. So now, guys, this is a practical implementation. Everyone be ready. Now, there is a serious situation. There is a serious situation in front of you. You're always sitting on couch, no work at all. You're always sitting on couch, no work at all. This is a serious situation. Now, what is your activity? I'm giving you 10 seconds time. You have to make same this statement, but in a humorous way. In a humorous way. Getting?
Yes, ma'am.
Just try.
You have so hard work that you never let a couch alone. Or you
Okay,
are
well
keep
tried.
hugging
Well
full
tried.
day.
Very nice, Kavita. At least, guys, you start thinking in a different way. Very nice, very nice.
Ma'am, you are, ma'am,
Yes, Anjali.
you have paid for the couch and you are getting interest from this couch now.
Anjali, speak again.
Ma'am, you have the money you have paid for this couch. Now you are getting interest from it.
Now you are getting interest for it. Okay. But it can be more innovative. It can be more innovative, but initially it's good. Yes, Ravindra, would you like to share your input?
You are a hard worker, but you are always
paying back.
Ek minute, let him speak. Yes, Ravindra?
You are a hard worker, but you always found sitting on a couch.
Okay, you are a hard worker, but you always seen on a couch. Okay, well said.
Ma'am, I want to add something. Now, your couch is paying you back.
Now your couch is paying you back. Okay. Chalo, let's see. If lying on a couch is an Olympic game, definitely you will get a gold medal.
I may say that if you are so overburdened that no result comes out from you. You are so overburdened that no result comes out from you.
No result
satiric.
But
you always seems to be.
But Rajesh, देखो humor जो है ना,
results comes out.
But humor जो है ना, guys, you cannot give in a negative remark. Your remark must be in a witty. Witty मतलब होता है थोड़ा सा शरारतीपन होना चाहिए उसके अंदर. Negative
Don't say.
remarks you don't say you cannot do anything. No. आपका विटी रिमार्क होना चाहिए. विटी का मतलब, हिंदी में विटी का मतलब होता है थोड़ा सा शरारतीपन. That you have to know. Like for example, if lying on the couch is an Olympic game, so definitely you will get a gold medal. Gold medal किसको मिलता है भैया? वो जो अचीव कर लेता है. वो अचीव क्या करे? वो सारे दिन काउच में बैठ सकता है. You are spending too much time on phone. You are spending too much time on phone. Yes, Madhvi, Prajoti, Jeti, try.
I think your charger is pinned with you.
Your charging is?
Your charger is pinned with you.
Charging is pinned with you. Okay, okay, okay. Yes, Madhvi?
I am thinking, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Those who have switched off their cameras, Sumaya, Athav, Sunanda, Rashri, Sangeeta. Okay.
You will get a prize for using your phone.
You will get a prize. Have you got a prize for using your phone too much? If your phone could talk, they could probably say stop scrolling. Stop scrolling. You need, guys, see, these are the different situations. You need to eat more vegetables. Then you can say, if you will say these types of statements to your kids, they will not listen. You need to eat more vegetables. So then you can say, hey dear, vegetables won't bite you. They will help you to grow. So start eating vegetables. Your room is so messy. Jayjeet, would you like to try? Your room is so messy. Arrange it properly. Are you married, Jayjeet?
Hello.
Yes, married?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have kids?
Yes, I have 5 years kids.
ठीक है.
Along with me,
अगर
and
सपोज
he
करो
disturbing me.
आपके बच्चे ने पूरा रूम मैसी कर रखा है और आप उसको बोल रहे हो, माय गॉड योर रूम इज टू सो मैसी, अरेंज इट प्रॉपर्ली. डू यू रियली थिंक सो दैट योर चाइल्ड विल लिसन यू?
No.
हमारा इतना कॉन्फिडेंस है, 5 साल का बच्चा ही नहीं सुनेगा. हाँ. Upgrade your parenting skills, Jajit. Okay. So then, देखो guys, these are my ideas. You can use your ideas. Is this your room or an archaeological site? So shall I come some scientists to discover? ठीक है. So इतना ज्यादा messy था. So shall I call some scientists to discover? Okay.
Ma'am, you can we can also say your room is so messy. I think you use cockroach to find something.
Yes. Okay, guys. So these are the some situations we all need to participate more in the classroom. So this is not a Netflix show, guys. Feel free to unmute yourself and join the conversation. Okay. Okay. This is not a Netflix show. So feel free to unmute and join the conversation. So
Ma'am,
these
you
are
will
the.
share this PDF?
Yeah, I will share. Now, guys, my favorite Bollywood dialogues. Bollywood dialogues. ठीक है? Now, Bollywood dialogues क्या है? Why the Bollywood dialogues play an important role in adding the humor? Guys, I told you in the beginning of the session, if you are delivered some messages through humor, it will retain into your mind forever. जैसे जब भी कोई टेंशन होती हो, रविंद्र, जब भी कोई टेंशन होती हो, तुम्हारे को, तुम्हारे बच्चों को, किसी को भी कोई टेंशन होती है, तो एक सिंपल, उनको इतना लेक्चर नहीं देना कि डोंट टेक टेंशन, एवरीथिंग विल बी गोइंग हैपन गुड, ट्रस्ट ऑन गॉड, फेथ ऑन योरसेल्फ, यू हैव डन ब्ला ब्ला ब्ला. नहीं, नो वन हैज अ टाइम टू लिसन ऑल दीज थिंग्स. देखो, sometimes it's okay. I'm not saying कि every time you have to use a humor, but sometimes just for a change, you have to use humor by delivering some good messages. So instead of saying कि everything will be okay, you can say all is well. All is well. Simple. Okay. Now I'm giving some situation. ठीक है. कविता, this is a situation when motivate someone after a setback. जब आपको किसी को मोटिवेट करना है, उसको कोई सेटबैक लग गया, सपोज करो दैट स्टूडेंट गॉट फेल्ड इन हिज एग्जाम. अब आपको उसको मोटिवेट करना है कविता बाय इनकलकेटिंग द ह्यूमर. कविता, अगर आप उसको ये बोलोगे, नो यू हैव टू डू लॉट ऑफ एफर्ट्स अगेन, there is so many ways are open for you. Again, you have to do work. That is okay. That is okay. But what is your task, Kavita? You have to make that negative environment into the positive environment. Some noise. Okay. Yes, Kavita. Just try. Have you seen Bollywood? Movies देखते हो?
Yes, ma'am.
तो फिर तो आना चाहिए. Any dialogue is coming. अच्छा चलो. कोई भी. Anyone.
हार के जीतने वाले को बाजीगर कहते हैं.
हार कर जीतने वाले को बाजीगर कहते हैं. ठीक है. सो हार कर जीतने वाले को बाजीगर कहते हैं. तो अगेन देयर इज अ जर्नी इज गोइंग टू बी हैपन एंड देन यू कैन स्टार्ट अगेन रिफ्रेश. आपको ये टैगलाइन बोलकर चाहे आप फिर अपना वो थोड़ा बहुत लेक्चर आप दे सकते हैं. बिकॉज आई ऑलवेज से
Yes, ma'am. Failure is the first step of success. You have crossed your first step.
हाँ बट कविता वो थोड़ा सा ना फिर से लॉजिकल ब्रेन ज्यादा हो गया. आपको राइट ब्रेन यूज करना है. ट्राई टू यूज मोर राइट ब्रेन. ओके चलो. आस्किंग फॉर हेल्प और कोलैबोरेशन. सपोज करो जयजीत आपके फ्रेंड को आपको यू नीड सम हेल्प फ्रॉम योर फ्रेंड फॉर सम प्रोजेक्ट. आपका डेडलाइन है. कल आपका डेडलाइन है. ठीक है. तो कैसे बोलोगे?
हाथ बटाना.
हाँ बोलो.
साथ ही हाथ बटाना.
साथ ही हाथ बटाना. वेरी नाइस राजेश. एनी मोर इनपुट्स? जयजीत कभी किसी फ्रेंड से हेल्प लेते हो या सारी डेडलाइंस खुद ही पूरी कर लेते हो?
ये हाथ मुझे चाहिए ठाकुर.
हाँ ये हाथ मुझे दे दे ठाकुर.
ये हाथ मुझे दे दे
हाँ
ठाकुर.
ये हाथ मुझे दे दे ठाकुर.
मैं बोलती हूँ दीदी. मैं तो बोलती
To
हूँ.
reduce the tension, all is well. When inspire someone to big dream and believe in the power of intention. जब आपको किसी को इंस्पायर करना है to big dream. जैसे देवेश का, अगर देवेश होते तो मैं देवेश से ये करवाती. जैसे देवेश का भी बिग ड्रीम है. He has a life. He has to do so many things in his life. So what you can say? किसी चीज को दिल से चाहो तो पूरी कायनात तुम्हें उसे मिलाने की कोशिश में लग जाती है. तो गाइज ये जो लाइंस है ना, यू हैव टू रिमेम्बर. आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि ऑन ईच एंड एवरी सिचुएशन you have to inculcate. No. But sometimes it happens that our environment is very messy, our environment is very dull. So at that time, we can use these types of taglines. Sometimes we have seen that our kids are very disappointed. They are very demotivated. So instead of giving so many lecture, being a parent, we always, in this boat, we always prefer the lectures. No, but we have to cut down our lectures and we have to make our environment, we have to make our talk more interesting. So how we can use? Sometimes you can use these types of dialogues. So now guys, this is an assignment which I'm going to share. Now what is this assignment? You have to, okay, yes. Rajesh, can you read it?
Yes, hello everyone. I am Rajesh. I am from...
नहीं राजेश ने लिखा, कोमल लिखा है. कोमल ही पढ़ो.
Why should I?
नहीं, because this is mine. This is mine. So you have to read.
Hello everyone. I am Komal. I am from Delhi. I am a communication coach and I am very excited to be here. Love meeting new people and sharing ideas. My goal is to keep things engaging and meaningful. Let us learn, grow, and have a great time together.
Okay, well said. This is my intro. Okay. Now, Ravindra, can you read this one?
Hey everyone, I am Kamal and from Dili Dilwalo Ki. I am into a profession where I can make mumblers into motivational speakers. And I am very thrilled to be here because I had no choice. Enjoy sharing ideas, cracking jokes, just to make sure that we all are awake. My goal is to keep things more engaging and most importantly, free of boredom. Let's learn, grow, and enjoy the roller coaster of life.
Very nice, very nice, very nice. But I need one more participant who can read this red one in a more effective and the humorous way. Anyone?
Can I?
Okay, Kavita. Yes, Kavita.
Hey everyone, I am Komal from Delhi Dilwalo Ki. I am into profession where I can make mumblers into motivational speaker. And I am very thrilled to be here because I had no choice. I enjoy sharing ideas, cracking jokes, just to make sure that we all are awake. My goal is to keep things more engaging and most importantly, free of boredom. Let's learn, grow, and enjoy the roller coaster of life.
Very nice, very nice, very nice. So what you have observed from these two paragraphs? Anjali, क्या लगा आपको?
Ma'am, one is direct and other one is more engaging and
More engaging, yes.
More-
The second one is more engaging. Manisha, the second one is more engaging to you?
Yes, ma'am. I remember many words now.
Humor is there, ma'am.
Yes. Manisha ji, I'm talking with Manisha. Manisha, are you getting this concept?
Yes, yes, yes.
So guys, now this is your activity. This is your activity. What is your activity? You all have to share your script, but in a humorous, in a out of box thinking. Urmila, are you getting? Clear? Everyone, what you have to do, just try, guys. I'm not saying that you have to write one paragraph. At least write 3-4 lines. At least write 3-4 lines, but try to make that script into a little humorous.
Yes, ma'am.
Got it? Priya, Prajoti, clear?
Yes, ma'am. Clear.
Chalo.
I got it.
Okay, now. So conclusion क्या है? If you use the humor, engagement is more, retention is more. This is a very good source of the stress relief, and it enhances the creativity. Now, please listen. Please listen. All time my favorite. And you know SRK. What is the best quality in a SRK? What is the best quality in SRK?
And he's very witty.
Yes. He has a great sense of humor. He has a great sense of humor. Listen.
सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर हमेशा रखना जिंदगी में, हंसते हमेशा रहना, एक चाइल्ड लाइक इनोसेंस जरूर रखना. जैसे एक छोटे बच्चे की जो एक इनोसेंस होती है, जो उसका दुनिया की तरफ जो नजरिया होता है, बड़ा इनोसेंस सा होता है, उसमें कोई खामी नहीं होती, गलती नहीं होती, अभी दुनियावी बातें नहीं आई होती, तो वैसे ही रखना. कई बार बचपन में मैंने जब बदतमीजी की या कोई गलत काम किया, तो उन्होंने सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर से मुझे बचाया. और जिंदगी भर अगर आप अपने ऊपर, अपने हाल पे, दुनिया पे, क्योंकि लोग आपसे हर कोई बात कहेंगे, अच्छी बात भी कहेंगे, बुरी बात भी कहेंगे, क्योंकि लोगों का काम है कहना. अगर आप उसको एक सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर से देख सकेंगे, तो जिंदगी जो है बहुत बेहतर रहेगी.
ओके गाइस, क्योंकि लोगों का काम है कहना. If you know how to use humor, so definitely you will try to avoid the conflicts. जो सबसे ज्यादा जो हमारे conflicts होते हैं आजकल, जो arguments होते हैं, we will try to overcome all these things. But for that, you need to develop your child ego state. So I have shared